Criminology at USW is a programme that's been running for many decades. The University of South Wales is an established provider of delivering criminology courses. What makes us different and quite unique compared to other university providers is that we have constructed our course in a way that provides students with practical skills. At the heart of our course is employability. It's a clear stepping stone for our students from university into a career. The University of South Wales is fortunate enough to have a number of world-leading facilities and provision for our students. That includes everything from our moot court through to our crime scene house and also our Hydra Minerva suite.
Criminology for me is just, there's always the what if, what happened.
Our studies are very interactive, so when you're in class, it's more of a discussion and a debate, which is what I like. You're not just sitting there reading, you're actually getting involved. It's such an interesting subject. There's no right or wrong answer. There's always like a what if, which is what criminology is about. You build in a case, you build in answers to try and find a solution.